Tests of this weekend receivers' performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the expected good weather.
Oh, here we go.
Of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this program and the warning alarm will vary at any given location.
How did this not go off?
The variability becomes more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for warnings, selected watches, and other environmental emergencies affecting the following North Carolina counties: Alamance, Alexander, Allegheny, Canton, Bertie, Cabarrus, Caswell, Chatham, Davidson, Davie, Durham, Edgecombe, Forsyth, Franklin, Granville, Greene, Guilford, Halifax, Harnett, Hoke, Iredell, Johnston, Lee, Martin, Montgomery, Moore, Nash, Northampton, Orange, Gerson, Pitt, Randolph, Richmond, Rockingham, Bryan, Scotland, Stanley, Stokes, Surrey, Union, Vance, Wake, Warren, Wayne, Wilkes, Wilson, and Yadkins. The warning alarm will also be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Chesterfield and Marlborough, and the following counties in Virginia: Brunswick, Carroll, Grayson, Henry, Mecklenburg, Patrick, and Pittsylvania. This includes the independent cities of Galax, Martinsville, and Danville. Repeating, the National Weather Service has just activated the public warning alarm tone in the test of the Weather Radio's warning alarm system. Here is the latest national weather.
100. Well, no new RWC scroll in the 100. Can you turn it up? I can't hear. There we go. Oh, come on, GSP.
Webmaster.NOAA.gov. Remember that the proximity of your radio to other electronic devices such as televisions or computers can affect the reception of tone alerts. Something as simple as nearby electrical wiring or fluorescent lights may also contribute to a decrease in signal strength. Scattered thunderstorms are expected to develop again today across the area. 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WNG 538, broadcasting near Linville on a frequency of 162.45 megahertz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Avery, Burke, Caldwell, Catawba, McDowell, Mitchell, Rutherford, Watauga, Wilkes, and Yancey.
Activate.
Weather Radio, all hazards tone alert test.
Channel 6.
This is the National Weather Service office at Greenville, Spartanburg. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station KJY85's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Test of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station KJY 85, broadcasting from the Iredell County Emergency Communications Tower located near Mooresville on a frequency of 162.525 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Cabarrus, Catawba, Davidson, Davie, Gaston, Iredell, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, and Rowan. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Torn Alert Test. Now for the official.
This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm. In periods of potentially severe weather, special receivers are activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 2. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be activated for select watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Whitley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blackford, Pulaski, and Jay. In Ohio, the counties include Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, the counties of Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Hillsdale. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio under Local Information. I'm meteorologist Michael Lewis with the National Weather Service. We now return to normal programming.
Station WXL60's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, FFW receivers can automatically be activated by these signals to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signals in the receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service around noon each Wednesday, except for the first Wednesday of the month when it is conducted around 7 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarms, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in the Blacksburg County warning area: in Virginia, Allegheny, Bedford, Bland, Todd, Carroll, Craig, Floyd, Franklin, Giles, Halifax, Henry, Montgomery, Patrick, Pittsylvania, Pulaski, Roanoke, Rockbridge, and Worth. Also included are the independent cities of Buena Vista, Covington, Danville, Lexington, Martinsville, Galax, Radford, Roanoke, and Salem. In North Carolina, the following counties are included: Rockingham and Caswell. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning device. We now return to normal programming. Now for the National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Randolph County until 8:45 p.m. thunderstorms producing heavy rain and flooded roadways across the warned area. Between 2 1/2 and 3 1/2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: Emergency Management reported. Impact: flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include High Point, Asheboro, Randleman, Archdale, Trinity, and Randleman Regional Reserve Marina. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following county: Randolph, North Carolina,